Discuss some previous questions which have been asked and little bit typical type from the identities. So if cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta, if cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta, then find the value of cos theta plus sin theta is our question. Then find the value of cos theta plus sin theta. Look at here. This is a minus b and it is going to be a plus b actually. So I have a minus b, I have to find a plus b value. So I have some a minus, but I know the a minus b, a plus b, a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. Why? This is a minus b whole square, a square and plus a plus b whole square formula is what? 2 times a square plus b square. That is 2 into cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So it's a little bit confused. It's having a little bit confusion to you. Let me see how I am going to do. Now I am taking assumption that cos theta minus sin theta whole square plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square. It's not assumption. So a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. 2 times a square plus b square. That is 2 times cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is 1. So but I want this value here. I want this value. So let me make this as x. So I am fixing this as x. So next cos theta minus sin theta value is what? Root 2 sin theta. I am replacing here. Root 2 sin theta whole square plus this will be some x square will be is equal to 2. Let us take this as x. I want x value. So root 2 square is 2. 2 sin square theta plus x square is equal to 2. X square is equal to 2 minus 2 sin square theta. X is equal to 2 into 1 minus sin square theta. X square is equal to 2 into 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. X is equal to plus or minus square root of root 2 cos square theta. X is equal to plus or minus root 2 cos theta. So this is all about the, once again, take a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square identity, that is 2 times a square plus b square. A square plus b square is cos square theta plus theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. Why I am taking? I have a minus b value, I don't have a plus b value. So that I make use this formula. And next question. If sec theta, simple, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then find cos theta. So actually sometimes they will ask sin theta also, but simple question I made. So you can find sin theta. I can find the cos theta value by using the identity or by using the right angle triangle concept. You can have the what, or you can find the what we say sin theta. So here one condition is there, p should be not is equal to 0. That we have to include. So here sec theta plus tan theta we have. So whenever sec theta plus tan theta is given, sec theta minus tan theta will become reciprocal for that. Why? So take sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to p. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b, that will be is equal to p. Sorry, this is not p. I have taken this a square minus b square, that is 1. So this is going to be 1 now. So a plus b into a minus b will be what here? 1. So what is the value of a plus b here? P. P into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 upon p. Why I find this one? So now I can solve these two. This is x plus y, this is x minus y, like that. So now sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p. Tan theta minus tan theta will be cancelled. Sec theta plus sec theta is 2 sec theta. P plus 1 by p. 2 sec theta is p into p is what? P square plus 1 by p. So sec theta is equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. Multiply term comes and divides. So sec theta we got, sec and cos are reciprocals to each other. Cos theta is 2p by p square plus 1. If you want cos theta, how can I make use? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Otherwise I can find that. So sin square theta, what is the cos square theta here? 2p by p square plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus 4p square by p square plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 4p square by p square plus 1 whole square. Sin square theta plus cross multiplication, p square plus 1 whole square by 4p square by p square plus 1 whole square. So now sin square theta is equal to a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab is 2p square. 2 into p square into 1 is 2p square minus 4p square by p square plus 1 whole square. Look at here carefully. P square whole square plus 1 square plus 2p square is p square plus 1 whole square. 2p square minus 4p square is what? Here you will get this as minus 2p square. Then a square plus b square minus 2ab. See, a square plus b square plus 2ab is 2p square. Minus 2ab is minus 2p square. Then I can write this one as p square minus 1 whole square. Now I can write p square minus 1 whole square. This is the value of what? Sin square theta by p square plus 1 whole square. Once again, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab up to here. But if you simplify minus 2p square, that means this will become minus 2p square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is going to be what here? That means this will be eliminated and you will get minus 2p square. That means this will become minus 2ab form. So here, that is the reason I written it as p square minus 1 whole square. Sin theta will be equal to square root of p square minus 1 by p square plus 1 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. P square minus 1 by p square plus 1 you will get. Once again, sec theta plus tan theta they have given. We have to find cos theta and I find sin theta also. I am including the question as sin theta also. So whenever sec theta plus tan theta is given, sec theta minus tan theta will become reciprocal of that 1 by p by using the identity. In the same way, cosec theta plus tan theta is some x. Then cosec theta minus cos theta is also 1 by x. So first a plus b, some x plus y we have x minus y also. From that we find x minus y. So we solved for that. We got sec theta, sec and cos are reciprocal. By using the identity in terms of sin and cos we find. Otherwise take the triangle like this. So what is this? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is adjacent side and it is going to be hypotenuse. So make use of the Pythagoras theorem and get this value and it will become opposite side. So opposite by hypotenuse. Actually this value you will get as p square minus what you will get? Sorry, adjacent is 2p here. Opposite is p square plus 1. This value you will get it as p square minus 1. At that time p square minus 1 by p square plus 1 will be your answer. Once again, adjacent by hypotenuse. This is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. In the first step I have taken wrong. Thank you.